You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words in English. We're gonna go through how to say them correctly. So the top word here is the verb. The spelling is P-R-O-N-O-U-N-C-E. It is to be said as pronounce. Pr with a schwa sound. Pronounce. Pronounce. Alright, so let's go through the noun now, the bottom word on your screen. Pr again, then it's not a noun, but a nun. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Overall, pronunciation. Pronunciation. So, let's summarize. The top word is pronounced as pronounce. The bottom word, pronunciation. Pronunciation. Was this useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.